help me to say something to him.
I just lost.
Am I that bad for real?
Is the boy in the back also your friend? Yeah. Pace, they're talking about you,
I don't
bro.
give a fuck.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Should we drink one more beer? Wait, what's the time? 3:05. Okay, I need to go, by the way.
For real?
Yeah, like
Go where?
to the Halmandong.
Oh yes. 3:30.
3:30 around.
Okay.
Okay, I will see you guys. I will see you guys like I guess like 2 hours later or something, and we will have a good organization. You should guys should stay. What's this? Is pineapple? Okay,
But
guys.
you're gonna change your clothes and stuff, right?
Yeah, but in toilet.
Okay, but you are going downstairs.
Yeah.
Let's go together. I'm gonna use your phone for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna take something.
Okay,
to-
okay.
Like
Let me tell them. Bye bye. See you.
Okay. 신자나고 슈고
Sinjana
고.
go.
신자나고
Sinjana go. Simjana sugar.
You say 슈고 is like sit well, like bye.
They're
Sugar.
asking why is the boy in the back angry, you know. Pace, they want you, bro.
Fuck all of them.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys. I want to
go to
say,
hell.
I love you, guys. Take care.
Okay.
Let me say like into with him.
I want you what? Take care.
I love you, guys. Take care.
Okay. 가부시나유다. 가부시나유다.
Kapushi,
가부시나유다.
kapushina yudam.
And then
And the
짝부나 take care is like 짝부나
Japuna,
짝부나
Japuna
take care and then bye and like bye bye. Yeah.
Okay.
You are so like
Bro, it was funny though.
No, she's a fucking asshole.
What did she say?
like
She's a
for
whole
real,
weekend,
for
bro.
real.
Rude as fuck.
For real, what did I do?
It's all good.
Oh my god, please, I'm sorry. If
You're
it's
good.
that
I
if it's
don't
that
care.
serious thing.
No, good. You won't get it. That's the thing. You live in fucking made up world. You order people around all week and make them do our shit, then you call them farmers and fucking make rude comments to them. I'm fucking over it. I've had enough.
Oh my
Have
god.
A great time.
For real, I'm sorry. If it's
okay.
that serious, because I don't know what's the mean. Farm is
get
like
it.
someone who have
Yeah,
a farm,
for sure.
right? Is that
Yeah.
so? What is that bad? Because our food is all from there. Our rice and everything is from farm.
I can
We
be farmer.
respect.
She doesn't understand anything.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't mean bad because I don't understand it.
Right. Right.
Yeah, so why?
Yeah. Because you won't understand shit. I don't
So yeah, after you told me, so I'm not gonna do it again.
No, because
Huh?
you don't get it. It's a broader thing. It's
Yeah,
the
so
whole
you tell me, you educate me, so I'm not gonna do it again.
Right. Yeah. You tried.
You guys are wrong.
Doesn't listen, bro.
He's gonna, okay, after you left, he's gonna beat me up.
Tövbe.
The shit she says is just fucking insane, bro.
I couldn't catch up while I was streaming, bro.
Bro, you,
I'm saying when you're on stream, it's all Mr. Sexy, Mr. Cute, all everything in the chat, and then it's like, oh yeah, farmer boys are in the fucking background. Fucking rude as shit, bro.
No,
Fuck out
I
of my
didn't
face.
say that. You
Fuck
didn't
you.
understand properly.
Yes, you did.
Bro, I swear to God, I didn't understand. Like,
Okay.
first of all,
Right.
bro, don't fucking put this thing like on my head, cause I never say
What you
this.
did.
Like, say like farm boy is like.
Yeah, all right, bro.
Bro, I think you are drunk,
Yeah, I'm drunk. And
Right?
You're fucking in a fantasy world.
bro. I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not.
You don't understand the words you say.
That's
to
what I'm
things.
saying. So educate me.
I just did. I tried to. I explained
So
it.
that's
I
why
tried explaining
I apologize to you.
it. Okay. I don't accept your apology.
For
You're
real, what
good.
did I do? What would I do
I
to let
blame
you accept?
Nothing. I'm good.
Bro, you know.
You can go to the arena.
Bro,
All
just
good. I'll
understand.
meet
Just
you
try
guys
to
later.
understand.
I
Bro,
tried to explain.
English, okay?
English.
It's my third language.
Yeah.
The third one.
Mine second.
Yes. Yeah. For him, it's